Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to change display settings on your CHiQ TV. So first let's head over to all settings. Now click on display and sound. Here click picture, and here you will be able to change the picture mode, let's say to standard. Click OK. Now here we can also try and change the auto backlight brightness. So here we can change the brightness. As you guys can see, I don't know if it's noticeable or not. For me it is, so I don't know about you guys. But now let me change it back to what it was. Here we have the contrast. So we can set the contrast higher. Now saturation, HUV, sharpness, advanced video. And here we have the color temperature, DNR, and much more. So this is where you guys can change that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.